What is going on, guys? It's your boy CJ from Flight for Hype. You already know what it is. I'm back with another video today. It's not going to be a very long one like they usually have been. I'm going to do a live unboxing for you guys right now. I literally picked up my new, kicks from Foot Locker about like a week and a half ago because of COVID-19, everything like that. Things got pushed back. One of my orders actually got canceled. But I finally got the pair that I wanted in my size. I might not keep them, I might use them for resale. So we'll see what happens. And this is gonna be the very first time I'm actually showing the shoes. I'm actually touching shoes myself. So let's get right into it. Got your regular cardboard box. Yeah, whatever, you don't need that shit. You got your nice matte black Jordan box with the Jordan logo. Size 10, as you can see. I hope you can see that actually. Got the other Jordan logo over here. Flip open the box. Yeah, I got my customer shipping paper, blah, blah, blah. Oh, you got some really nice wrapping on the inside as well, too. Okay, so these are Jordan 1 mid black toes. Beautiful. Release again on Foot Locker. Now, for those who don't know, the mids are not really looked at as like the Jordan shoe or like a Jordan shoe because they're not OGs, but honestly, this is probably the best colorway I've seen in the mids. I've only had one other pair. They were called the Tinker Hatfields. He's like a designer for Nike. He designed one of these mids. I had it a few years ago. But this is my second pair, and honestly, now that they're in hand, damn, these are going to be really hard to let go of. Like, the mids, these are really good quality for right off the bat. I can feel the leather. Like, it's really, really solid. The stitching is nice. The colorway, come on, it's crazy. A lot of people, which I might do, actually paint the toe box white and it looks like the Chicago's, and I might have to do that for the channel, so stay tuned. I just might do that with these. But like I said, I just wanted to unbox it to the world. Obviously, we're gonna do some on foot and close-ups for this one because it definitely had to go down, for sure, for sure, for sure. Jeez, these are clean, bro. They got the new shoe smell and everything. A lot of people don't like the white tongue on these. I actually think it's really nice, and I do like the fact that there's a tag on the tongue as well too. They're sweet. So before we go, make sure you drop a comment, smash that subscribe button, give us a like, and let us know what you guys feel about these Jordan 1 mids. Honestly, they're my favorite colorway. Check us out on IG at Flight for Hype. You can follow me personally on IG at CJWise Official, man. We out here. We coming back with some more content. We out.